Presenting TOS SN63-2000 Classic, remanufactured to perfection. That is a fully rebuilt lathe that delivers the same reliability and accuracy as a new machine. We've added new user-friendly features to enhance your experience. Whether you are machining large or small parts, this lathe delivers consistent, accurate results every time. From top to bottom, every component is inspected, replaced, or remanufactured to meet the highest standards of quality. Ready to upgrade your workshop with a machine that combines the reliability of new with the trustworthiness of a proven model. Contact us today to learn more about the remanufactured TOS SN63-2000 Classic.